Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a lot of cleaning motivation, so I hope you're ready. I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, and of course sweeping and mopping these floors. And we cannot forget about the laundry because that is never ending. So before we get into all this motivation, I want to say thank you if you're already subscribed to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that ring bell notification. So let's get going. Okay friends, the first thing I try to do is make up my bed. It's very tedious because I have to do this every day, but I try to do it because it just makes me feel good. What about you guys? Do you make up your bed? Do you go and eat breakfast and then make your bed? Or maybe because it's every day, maybe you don't make your bed at all, which is okay too. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you do. You're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. There I have my music playing. My phone is on the charger, and yes, I have my music going. That is what keeps me going. What do you guys do? Do you listen to audiobooks? Do you listen to just have the television playing? What motivates you while you're cleaning to keep doing what you're doing? I would love to hear. Now I really don't know what the best of me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. Okay friends, I don't know if you just found it, but I sure did. A new project that I need to tackle is these drawers. They are stuffed. I can hardly put stuff in it, but we will be getting to it, and we will be doing that together. Once I get a room clean, I always light a candle. This one here I think is cranberry peach, I believe. It just smells so good. Bath and Body Works is my store, and I have tons of candles that I usually burn throughout the house. They just smell so good. I know I'm talking a lot in this video, but I just like talking to you guys. I'm getting ready to tackle this laundry. Who else husband throws clothes on the floor like he makes piles? We do have a dirty clothes hamper, but for some reason he just makes piles throughout the bedroom, in the bathroom, and that's what I just picked up off the floor there. Somebody else's husband has to do this too. Tell me, please tell me below. You guys know this room is not complete without some Miss Myers mint scent on this bed. Now it is done. So moving on to this bathroom. I don't know what happened to that toilet roll. My son must have dropped it in water playing around. But I'm gonna move on to this half bath and get this all clean, which is pretty quick.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you.
Let me tell you guys about this Lysol Clean and Fresh toilet bowl cleaner. It's a cleaning gel that I use in this toilet. You guys, this stuff is the best. It cleans the toilets out. It gets them all nice and shiny. I love this stuff, but I will be using the toilet wand, I think is what it's called. I saw one of the YouTube moms, Brittany Serrato, hope I'm saying your name right. She used the toilet wand for inside the toilet. So I am going to try that out and see how that works. But meanwhile, you guys have to try this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner.
Baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want, as long
Okay, so moving on now to this dining room kitchen area. This glass here mirror gets so dirty. I think my son just walks through and put his fingerprints on there, but just had to clean that up. And then, as I said before, this is like our workspace, office space. This is where we eat dinner and everything else. So this table is like a collection of just stuff throughout the day. And this is always having to be clean since we've been home from quarantine.
Let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you.
Once I get it all clean, I use this Method Daily Granite Cleaner. It cleans and polishes this table because it is like a marble top finish. So I use that to just to wipe it down, and it does a really good job. So if you guys haven't used that, it's the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. It does a really good job.
And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Guys, I was taking a moment from cleaning up and I wanted to show you guys. I went to Target yesterday, I think it was, and I bought I'll show you guys this right here. I bought this little thing, this little guy right here. I was actually watching Valerie Santos. I think Valerie Santos is her channel name, and she bought this and I thought it was really cute. So I went, searched high and low, and found it. This right here. And I also bought, get it out the bag, this little welcome sign. I bought it to go here, so I'll show you guys. Right here, right now we have this little thing here. It's black. It doesn't really go with my decor anymore, so I'm gonna take this down that we put our keys on once we come through. This is the garage that's right here, so once we come through this door, we normally hang our keys up here on this rack. And so I want to put this up here, and I think that that will look really good, but we'll see how it looks. But I think that will go so much better with our decor, so I am going to I'm going to work on putting that up once I'm done with everything straightened up real quick, and you guys will see it. I will show you guys as soon as I get it put up. Okay, so now moving on to the kitchen. It's actually not that bad today. I just have a few things I need to clear off the counter, and there's a few dishes in the sink I need to load in the dishwasher.
Bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights in your space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right.
Spraying the counters off. I like to spray my counters off with the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. I also use the Method Daily Granite Cleaner sometime as well, but I like the fact that this one's antibacterial and it kills 99.9% of household germs. And as you guys know, in the kitchen, that is where everyone normally gathers at some point throughout the day. And oh yeah, you guys, while I'm looking at this kitchen and going over it, if you haven't already, go check out my Kitchen Declutter and Organize. I did a collaboration with Micah Marie, and those two channels give you some awesome motivation as well if you haven't already seen it.
day I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
Sure, magnolia trees, you got buds?
Yeah, I took pictures of it today.
Oh, you took pictures? The bag's no good, right?
I don't know, don't throw it away yet.
I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling.
So I just took it down, so my husband's gonna come and help me hang this up because he likes to use the measuring tape and also using the thing that you use to make sure it's even across there. So as you can see, I have put things up here on the wall and I just put screws in until the way that I think it looks. But he is a little more precise than I am, and I really appreciate that he likes to make sure our pictures are straight on the wall. So that's what he's doing.
You're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine, but it's like I'm missing the passion in your eyes. Am I right? I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean.
All right, friends, so here it is. I think it looks awesome up there. Donnie did a really good job of making sure it's straight and it lines up well. So I am going to hang the keys back up here, and this is where our mail will go once I check it in the mail once I take it from the mailbox and put it in here and have a chance to go through it. But this is it. I want to say thank you for watching this video today, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that ring bell notification and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you.